What's up guys, welcome to the video. So we are down here in Temecula, California at the campus gym. I just drove here from Costa Mesa. It was about an hour and 30-minute drive, so not too bad. And I actually trained here about almost 2 years ago. I came down here with Vinny and Scott from Myo Detox and we trained, ate some Wobble Grill after that. It was a super fun day. But now I'm excited to be back and train again. So I will be meeting up with Raymond. He is the online coach, the owner of this gym. We're gonna hit an upper body workout and then possibly go grab something to eat after this. I'm not really sure what the schedule is gonna be like. But first, taking a scoop of B10. Now this is BCAAs and carnitine. And of course guys, you do not need any supplements, but BCAAs become beneficial to reduce muscle soreness, prevent muscle breakdown, and also has carnitine to help mobilize fatty acids. It's a really good product. It's made with Sun BCAA, so it's 100% plant-based. So I got it in my shaker. I'm ready to go train.
What's up? What's up, man? How are you?
Good, good.
Good. Hell yeah. What up? Thanks. How you doing, bro?
Good, you? How's the drive?
Good. It was mellow. It was chill. It went by pretty quick.
What up, man?
What's up, man?
Cameron,
Nick.
nice to meet you.
How you doing? Likewise.
You met Roger?
I haven't. What's up, man? Nick.
meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too.
Alright guys, so we got upper body today and I'm just gonna do 4 sets of 8 to 10 on the incline dumbbell press, and I'm gonna superset that with some pull-ups. So 4 sets total on each, be resting 2 minutes in between each exercise. And then after this, I'm gonna train with Raymond. We're gonna do some shoulders and traps. So let's get to it.
What's that?
Yeah, that's 20 pounds.
You're a cheater, bro. You're cheating.
Alright, so our last set, we're just gonna shock the muscle. We're gonna slow down the tempo. So like a 4 count down, 4 count up. So it's gonna have to be something light. Black Natty?
Yeah, Cabera.
Where you at, Black Natty?
Yeah.
When are you gonna come through? Oh.
That was an epic workout. We absolutely crushed it. And now we're gonna go get some pho, which I'm really, really excited about. But first, we're gonna check out Raymond's bike. Damn, this thing's clean. Damn.
Hear that popping?
Yeah. That's just nasty.
Pop, pop. Like anytime I'm off the throttle, just pop.
Your smoke tanks are out. Aw, that's cute. That's so cute. There she is. She's so bad. Alright guys, time to get a post-workout meal here at Golden Bowl with the homies.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Game table?
Yeah.
Okay.
How are you?
Damn. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, check out this pho. Super excited to smash this right now. The last time I had pho was that food challenge with Nate Figueroa, so definitely check that one out. But yeah, I'm really gonna enjoy this.
How many pounds was it? 8 pounds?
Cameron's fasting. Yeah, it was 8 pounds of pho. It was pretty.
I'm down for that.
It was pretty ridiculous.
I don't think I can finish that. 8 pounds.
Bro.
So like, was it like 4 times this? 5 times this?
Maybe even more. The bowl was like up to here.
Because you'll see once you start digging in it how much noodles you have.
Yeah.
Did it have the little meatballs too?
It had all kinds of stuff like the pork belly and it was like really good like the first 2 pounds, but then it just got like really repetitive. But yeah, this looks like amazing. All right, enough filming, time to eat.
How was that bowl, Coach?
Hit the spot. Perfect.
Bomb?
No, it was really good, really good. Satisfied.
Oh boy. That was probably cake, huh? Because what you remember is the challenge.
Yeah, that was like I was serious when I was gonna show you that too. That's like hit the spot. Really hit the spot. Alright man. Nice meeting you. See you guys soon. Cameron. Alright brother. Raymond, always a pleasure.
Yeah man.
I appreciate it man.
Come through anytime.
Yeah, I'll be back soon for sure.